closely, noticed that there were no parents
She
flying in
reacted
to
quickly.
feed these babies.
Find out how a maritime homeowner and some quick-thinking roofers waited to save a baby sparrow. Bird's eye view, next.
Bird's eye view.
Bird's eye view. Oh, feeding our little Ricky Bobby.
Is that your bird? Is that your video?
No, that's not his video, no.
No,
That
the
was-
video's in there though. Okay, come on.
That's so funny.
Yeah, and they'll have this posted on their Facebook page and everything too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, even up to around midnight in areas of New
So you
Brunswick
get a lot of
before showers
publicity,
and
really.
downpours
Accurate
moving
look.
to Prince Edward Island areas of Nova Scotia. Still could be a rumble of thunder with those. And that front is going to have an impact on
even in here,
temperatures
yeah.
I know, it's hot in
into
here,
and
though. It's
through
hot
the
in here.
upcoming weekend. So for tomorrow morning,
there's
it's
just
not
no
going to
breeze
be as
through.
clear as it was the past couple of mornings. Temperatures are still going to be mild.
down,
A lot of areas
I think you're Lockie or Lockley.
through the day, they won't be
They
reaching
don't call me. They
up
can't
to
call me. They call him Rocky now.
They can't call me that.
I call him that. I call him Rocky now.
It's so nice for so pretty.
When we're not at work, though, he's in a better
side
mood.
through the end of the
Locky
weekend
Jockey.
and into the
Locky Docky.
You guys are not allowed to call me Locky.
Sounds good.
You already told me I'm allowed.
Here we go, Kayla.
You were lying, were you?
End of the day, my vocabulary goes all the way down. But not for this story. Here we go. This is a busy time of year for maritimers around the house. Gardening, spring cleaning, home renovations, and it's also a
Look,
busy
who's that other guy in
time
here?
of year for Mother Nature with plenty of
No.
baby animals on the way.
Down.
Can you guys see it? Do you want me to tilt the
Recently
television?
found
No,
out
it's
that
perfect.
she discovered
Yeah.
a nest of baby birds in distress. That's when a group of roofers came to the rescue. CTV's Heidi Petracek has more.
I think it was right in there.
It started when Corinne McClellan heard the loud cry of baby birds somewhere in her yard. They were so loud she could hear it inside the house.
We just thought Mom had gone away for a little bit. Unfortunately,
Oh my god, I'm an old woman.
the crying continued, and it continued for 2 days.
She needed to do something, and she found help right at home. Workers with a local company who were reshaping
Yeah.
the roof.
I assumed because all the commotion going around, the mom just kind of abandoned the area, didn't feel safe anymore.
They had the tools to help, including a very tall ladder.
First we thought they were at the top of the tree and on the side of the tree, and then eventually I realized they were in the middle of the tree up front.
They were really dehydrated, and so
my
I
video.
took just a dropper with some water and
Sick video.
fed them.
They're going
Birds,
Curses
nest
me,
and
you
all,
should
in a
get
bowl
your-
with some towels, and McClellan carefully transported it to well-known animal rescue Hope for Wildlife.
They did a good job.
One of the
in
baby
this
birds
short
died
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
way, but the other hung on. Turns out it's a song sparrow, about 3 weeks old, and thanks to the folks here at Hope for Wildlife, it's going
They
to
were
be
singing.
okay.
That's definitely
The
a song.
rescued baby bird in question is, well, one of these. Hope for Wildlife puts rescued birds of similar ages and species together, so it's hard to know which one is the right one. But at least they're all doing much better.
Oh, so they're all in like a little area together.
Three baby birds in.
Swinnemer says McClellan and the roofers did the right thing.
So she reacted quickly.
That's great.
Noticed that there were no parents flying in to feed these babies, so obviously something had happened.
The rescued baby bird and its new roomies will be released back into the wild in about 3 weeks. Good news for McClellan and the roofers.
High fives.
Just glad to be able to do a little thing to help something little.
I think the stars aligned in terms of, the fact that we would never have, a ladder that high.
Feels great. I hope he's doing great. Yeah, roofers to the rescue.
Just enough time to tell you what's coming
Jay's
up.
no
Monday.
good.
Oh,
Jay,
man.
he's like, get these roofers off my TV.
Oh my god, how crazy!